Understanding idioms. As thick as mud. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus is on understanding what it means when someone says something is as thick as mud. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. As thick as mud is an idiom used to describe something that is very confusing or unclear. Just like mud is opaque and dense, making it hard to see through, a situation or explanation described as thick as mud is difficult to understand. This phrase is often used to describe complex, unclear instructions, or situations where there's a lack of clarity. Understanding the origins of an idiom can often help us grasp its meaning better. The phrase, as thick as mud, likely comes from the literal properties of mud: dense, opaque, and messy. Over time, these physical characteristics were applied metaphorically to describe things that are mentally muddled or not easily understood. Let's see some examples of how this idiom is used in everyday language. 1. After the lecture, I was still as thick as mud about quantum physics. 2. The instructions for assembling the furniture were as thick as mud, so it took hours to put together. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used to express frustration or confusion about something that's not clearly explained. There are several other idioms and expressions that convey a similar meaning. For instance, clear as mud, often used sarcastically to mean something is very unclear. Muddy the waters, to make a situation more confusing or complex. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your understanding and usage of English idioms. And that's a wrap on as thick as mud. Now, you not only know what it means but also how to use it in context. Idioms like this add color and depth to our language, making it more expressive and vivid. I hope this video has cleared the mud for you on this phrase. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.